The retail environment is changing rapidly. There is tremendous pressure for greater in-store operational efficiency to improve bottom-line profits in the face of increased omni-channel competition, inventory demands, and consumer expectations. The stakes are higher than ever for an increased emphasis on sales and customer service. Yet 70% of in-store labor hours are currently spent on operational tasks such as merchandising. To address these needs and flip the labor model, SPAR developed the SPARView Global Retail Service Operations System, a seamless, paperless, end-to-end system for speeding information flow, optimizing efficiency, and maximizing operational productivity. It is a universal, multilingual platform for managing and reporting retail service operations on a global, national, and local scale, down to the store, fixture, and UPC level. SPARView manages dozens of operations and can report unlimited data points, where most manage and report only a handful. Applications include personnel and program management, data collection and reporting, compliance audits, top-line and store detail reports, real-time field execution heat maps, the SPAR Eyes Photo Video Manager, and issue tracking and resolution. Unlike most third-party cookie-cutter systems, SPARView is fully customizable to each client's specific needs. We routinely create custom programs to do everything from tracking temporary display compliance placed by multiple brokers to issue tracking and resolution across multiple resellers and vendors. In addition, SPARView provides 6 Sigma reliability levels. We manage over 184,000 store visits every week and rarely field any system issues. And in the rare case an issue arises, we offer 24/7, 365 tech support worldwide. Clients can easily navigate its many features through a user-friendly interface, viewing everything from a dashboard summary of programs to store detail reports. The dashboard includes quick view windows for top-line store detail, number of stores visited compared to those scheduled, a heat map of stores that have been scheduled and executed, photos that have been taken, issues that have been tracked, product data, and the job-related documents in our SPARpedia library. Along the top, you can quickly view summary panels with the number of stores that have been scheduled and visited, the number of jobs those stores and visits represent, the number of data points that have been collected, the number of photos that have been taken, and the number of missed opportunities over a given time period. Click on the panel to view the details of that data. The top-line store detail window shows execution percentage in a specific time period for each project in a graph format. Scroll through projects by clicking the arrows. Click the Show Details link to see a summary of the data that has been reported for that particular project. To drill down even deeper, click on the underscored top-line store detail report link. You can view both a top-line summary and an Excel version store detail report. Scroll to find the project you want to view. Click to view the top-line master view, and you will see 3 charts: an execution chart showing stores scheduled and visited, a chart showing the responses to each of the data questions, and a retail issues chart. Below the charts are the questions and responses for the project, including the number of stores we have responses from, the percentage for each answer, and sums. You can also drill down on a particular question to see the details of all the responses on that question, or on the responses themselves to see all those answered a certain way and the stores where those answers came from. You can also view a graph of the answers to get a quick idea of which answers are trending higher. The store detail reports can be saved to Excel. Within the execution panel, there are 3 drill downs. You can view all the stores scheduled to visit, the stores that have not been visited, and an Excel store detail report of all the stores visited. Within the store detail report, you can view all the store info, manager name and title, date visited, and all the questions and responses, including summaries. Check in and check out with pre-visit and post-visit GPS coordinates can also be viewed. At the top of the top-line report, are links to other commonly used reports: the Field Execution Heat Map, the Store Photos report with thumbnail images of all the photos collected that you can click on to see details, and the Photo Store Card report, which is the same report except that it groups the photos by store. The Issue Tracking System window shows a chart of all issues reported during the execution of a project. Click Show Details to see a breakdown of the number of issues by issue type and the number of stores having that issue. Click the underscored Issue Tracking System link to access the full application, which allows any user, such as a client, store manager, or field specialist, to report an issue about the execution of a project. Issues are classified by issue type and code for faster resolution, and then details are provided. Issues are also classified as normal or high priority. Normal priority resolution is within 48 hours. High priority resolution is within 24 hours. Pictures of the issue can be attached. Issue emails are sent to key personnel. Clients can also add personnel to receive the issue emails. Run an issue status report to check the status of issues, including the resolution. The Field Execution Map is a heat map that shows a red dot for each of the stores in the program. As the stores are visited and reported into the system, the red dot turns to a green dot or a blue triangle, representing a store visited or one visited with a picture taken. By clicking the dot or triangle, you can see the store information, visit date, project information, and number of photos uploaded. Click on Show Store Photos and link to the SPAR-Eyes Photo Video Manager. You can also click on the underscored Field Execution Map link to view 2 additional heat maps, a GPS map that reveals check-in, check-out details, and a map by question. With this, you can see the results of a question displayed geographically on a map. The SPAR-Eyes window displays all recently uploaded photos, 6 at a time, with paging options for the remaining photos. Click on the photo to see more detail, including visit date, store information, project, and the questions associated with the image. You can also zoom in on the photo and click to enlarge it to see more detail. The SPAR On The Go mobile app allows you to view the applications on any Android or iOS mobile device, providing real-time visibility. This includes store visit responses, execution heat map, issues, and photos. The Store Visit app is what field specialists use to collect and submit data using a mobile smart device. It has been specially designed to collect data without the need for connectivity, allowing it to be used in every corner of every store in every corner of the world, as well as to conserve battery power, limit data size, and reduce eye strain. It is easy for any field specialist with a smartphone or tablet to use. They begin by selecting and confirming the store they are in, then the project they are reporting. They then check in with their GPS coordinates, confirm their visit date and time, answer the call form questionnaire, provide photos if requested, complete other activities such as out of stock, then check out with their GPS coordinates and end the visit. They can submit the data by either automatically connecting when a signal is detected or by tapping the screen when connected. The best part about SPARView is that it not only increases efficiency, improves productivity, and maximizes your bottom line, it also comes as part of your SPAR service.